All right, back at high level, we're hour and a half, hour 45 minutes into it. Things have stabilized here at the dump site. They've been able to get a 2-tank operation and up and running. This high levels tanker back. They're filling them with those portable pumps through that engine. Things have stabilized here. So even though they're operating off of a small primary dump back over there, 1,500, they're able to dump into this big 3,000, which allows this tender to get on the road and go. So things have been very stable here at the dump site for a while now, have not run out of water, so that's good. And so this is a pretty interesting operation, right? Because this is a remote part of Alberta, and in some cases the next nearest tender is 25 to 45 miles away. So your help is few and far between. And when they get here, right, you got to be able to expand that operation. So the fellas have been doing a really good job of troubleshooting and getting this down. The notion of going to a 3 or a 4 or 5 tank operation, that would take a long time because you're going to have to get those tanks and those tenders here. And that could be several hours by the time the folks get here. One of the things they do have at the resources is they do have commercial water haulers that we have not used today. So if we use them, then they could come in and pump off to this tank. So we talk about cutting and going. So on this dump tank, whenever the water level gets down below that Scotch-Lite stripe, almost to that rust mark right there, then they're going to cut and run and go get another load of water. So they kind of have fine-tuned all of this.